students, now I'm going to start question number 4 of exercise 6.4. Now question number 4 says ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means having 4 sides. Here this is the figure ABCD, which is a quadrilateral. Now what we have to prove that the sum of all 4 sides is greater than AC plus BT. Now what is AC here? AC is the diagonal. AC and BT is the diagonal of this quadrilateral. So we will check whether it is true or not, whether the sum of all 4 sides is greater than the sum of diagonals or not. Okay, so for this we will take the triangles. We will take the properties of triangle, which is sum of any 2 sides is of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay, now how will you take the triangle? Here AC is the diagonal, so we will take the triangle. We will take the triangle in which AC is present. Like on AC, this triangle is there. This triangle is standing on AC. Or if you take the opposite side, this triangle is present. This triangle is standing on AC diagonal. So we have got 2 triangles, which is triangle ACD and triangle ABC, in which AC is present in both the triangle. As AC is on the right, now what I am going to do, will put AC on the right. Okay, so at first we'll be taking triangle ACD. So in triangle ACD, here we will take the 2 sides as AD and CD, because AC on the right, AC is there on the right side, so we'll put AC on the right side. We'll be considering AC as third side. So if you take this triangle ACD, AD and CD will be the 2 sides. So AD or DA plus CD is greater than AC. The sum of 2 sides, according to the property, the sum of 2 sides is greater than the third side. So we have taken already the 2 sides, so another side will be considered as AC. And as AC, when we see this relation, AC is there on the right side, that's why AC will be considered as a third side. Okay, so keep the AC on the right side. Now this is equation 1. Now we'll be considering another triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, again we'll keep AC on the right. So we'll consider AB and BC, the another 2 sides. So AB plus BC will be again greater than AC, as the sum of 2 sides is greater than the third side. So according to this property of a triangle, we are writing the sum of 2 sides is greater than the third side. So this is equation 2. Now we'll be considering another diagonal, which is BD. Now on BD, which triangle is there? It's DCB. This triangle is standing on BD, right? And if you check the opposite side on BD, this triangle ADB is present. So we will take the 2 triangles here. One triangle is triangle DCB and another triangle is DAB. So in which BD is present in both the triangles. Okay, and we'll keep BD on the right side, because according to this relation BD is on the right, so we'll consider BD as the third side. So we'll write in triangle CB, DC here, DC and CB, DC or CD and BC can be considered the two side. So CD plus BC, the sum of two side is greater than third side, which is BD here. So BD we are keeping on the right, as according to the relation BD is on the right. Okay, now this is equation 3. And the last triangle is DAB. So in triangle DAB, what we are getting from DAB? Here is DAB. Again we'll keep BD on the right, so we'll take DA. Okay, DA and AB as the sum of two sides. Okay, so DA plus AB will be greater than BD. Okay, so this all we have got from the property which is of a triangle, which is sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Now what we are going to do, is to prove this, we will just check whether it is true or not. We'll just add all this equation. Okay, so we'll write adding 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you add, you will add the left hand side as well as right hand side. Now when you will add the left hand side, see we have DA plus CD at first, plus sign, then we have AB plus BC, then we have CD plus BC, and then we have DA plus AB. Now here we have greater than sign, so we'll put greater than sign, and on the right side what we are going to do, we will add these two, so AC plus AC and BD plus BD. Okay, now here DA is present twice, so we can add this two, we can write it as 2DA, plus CD is present twice, so we can write 2CD. Then AB is present twice also, so 2AB. Then BC also 2 times is there, so we can write 2BC. Okay, now again we'll put greater than sign. Now here also 2AC is there, so we can write 2AC plus BD also present twice, so 2BD. Okay, now we can see that 2 is present in all the terms. Okay, so we'll just take out 2 from there. So if you take out 2 from there, so what will be present inside? DA, CD, then AB and BC. Okay, now greater than sign. Now from here also we will just take out 2. So what will be present inside? AC, this AC and BD, right? Now on both the side we can get 2, so we can cancel this 2, we can divide this. Okay, so what we have got? DA plus CD plus AB plus BC greater than AC plus BD. Okay, now what we have to prove here? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than the sum of the diagonals, which is AC plus BD. So here is AC plus BD. Now if you arrange this, AB plus BC, here we can arrange this all because here we have plus sign, so we can arrange in any order. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Okay, so here we have to prove this. So we have proved that sum of all the side of a quadrilateral is greater than the sum of the diagonals. Okay, so we'll write yes, it's true. Okay, so this was all about question number 4. Thank you, students.